Haven't seen a video of this that's made before. I have a F10 M5, 2014 M5 in particular, and I really wanted a drain plug in the oil filter housing. So what I did was bought an upgraded OEM oil filter housing. This is meant for the newer generation X5Ms, or it even fits the F90 M5s. So here's the part number. I'll have a picture of it as well. And you buy the corresponding filters over here. So everything is OEM and it should just plug and play. So what it is you have a T55 Torx here where you can loosen and let the oil out of the oil filter housing, and then hopefully it'll be a much cleaner oil change. Also, this is 36 millimeters. Just did the oil change. From my understanding, the filters are pretty much the same, but you want to buy the same part number from BMW that I showed earlier. Is the oil filter housing that's different and upgraded. You can see here there's a little plug so you don't spill oil everywhere, and all we have to do is pop this in on the cap side and screw it back.